After a year marked by significant financial losses, Elon Musk is ready to shift his entrepreneurial sights towards drone production, viewing it as a powerful move to compete with China's dominance in the sector. Tesla has experienced a steep 52% drop in sales in April 2024 alone, confirming challenging times for the EV giant, especially in open trade regions, as reported by the European Automobile Manufacturers Association. Still, analysts like Morgan Stanley expect that if Tesla enters the exploding eVTOL market, Musk could potentially disrupt China's stronghold, as the total drone and eVTOL aircraft market could soar to $9 trillion. Despite UBS predicting that Tesla's third-quarter vehicle deliveries might reach 475,000 units, 8% above current market expectations, they maintain a cautious tone, warning of a likely demand drop in the fourth quarter and setting a conservative price target for Tesla stock at $215. Amid these industry-wide shifts, Uber Freight is partnering with Tesla to accelerate the adoption of electric trucks, incentivizing American freight companies to switch fleets and benefit from lower fuel and maintenance costs, even as upfront prices remain high. Uber Freight's program includes financial support and field trials, which have already demonstrated the reliability and cost-effectiveness of Tesla's Semi over nearly 20,000 kilometers driven in just 2 months of testing. Despite ambitious goals, Tesla's self-driving technology has faced significant public criticism after recent failures, like the well-publicized incident where a Tesla Model Y equipped with full self-driving, supervised, crashed into a road hazard, renewing concerns over safety and performance. Musk's promise of cross-country, fully autonomous drives by 2017 remains unfulfilled, highlighting ongoing challenges in software development and consumer trust. Yet, these hurdles haven't stopped Musk from pushing forward. Whether it's cars, drones, or trucks, he continues to reimagine what's possible in transportation. As the competition heats up and technology evolves at breakneck speed, the world will be watching to see how Musk and Tesla respond. Will innovation win out over setbacks? Or will high expectations lead to even greater scrutiny from investors and the public? Stay tuned. Weigh in with your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on Tesla and the future of mobility.